What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Wanted to do a quick video. I had a couple minutes to spare right now, and I just got this new product. I'm not gonna waste any time. I just wanna show you guys what's going on. So I got this Kaiweets circuit breaker finder kit. Just came in. I just started using it. And let me show you what's in the kit. So this is the finder. Very easy to use. Turn that button on and it starts searching. I am going to be doing another video showing how that works, but the gardeners are outside right now and it's too loud to film. So here, let me show you this though. I love this. I have a Klein one, and this one, way nicer. Honestly, way nicer. Even better than what I was expecting. So it tells you, the voltage, that it's wired correctly. And then when you try to find the circuit, this is what it tries to find. Also, I didn't even know that it came with this, but it comes with the light bulb attachment for finding the circuit. Love that. Absolutely love that. That is very handy. And then also it comes with these little alligator clips, so you can find those circuits if you just have exposed wire. So yeah, it comes in this little case. I'm really shocked at how nice this is. I'm kind of speechless. So I'm gonna start using this. I am gonna do more of like a full review once I've really, tested it, seeing all the things I like about it, all the things I don't like about it so far. There's the only thing that is different on this one is on Klein, this plugs into the back. So that's really the only main difference that I could see right away. But this thing's looking freaking awesome. I love the little light attachment. I had to make one. And so this one, it's a lot cleaner. I could just throw this in my backpack and call it a day. So anyway, I'm gonna put a link below, an affiliate link. So if you guys want to check out their products, check out this, just click on that link. It's gonna go straight to the store. I think you could also get this through Amazon. I'll put that as in the link as well. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. If you've heard of these guys, if you've used this, or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.